Okay, this here is Tony and Mary's door. Note the white frame. They got their lock on there. This here is the lower front flat. It's where they were making the drugs. Also, one of the crime scenes was the lock was taken off. I took it off myself, broke it off with a hammer. And that happened on August 20th. And also note, it has a brown frame. These two apartments are not connected. They're separate. They had 3 separate gas lines even downstairs. Okay, here's the shoe again. Here is where the blood and everything's covered up. Here is plastic again. Got cut off last time.